Okay, let's continue on with the next part. So here we have a 14-foot long slide. The vertical height we don't know. I need the slide to form a 30-degree angle with the ground. So I need to know how tall my slide is. So I have opposite and hypotenuse, which is sine. So the sine of 30 degrees equals h over 14. So 14 times the sine of 30. So the height of the slide is 7 feet. And then here's my stairs. So I know this is 7 feet here. So I need to know the entire angle. From the stairs, bottom of the stairs to the bottom of the slide is 15 feet. So now, kind of to do the advanced part of this problem, this whole length is 15 feet. Well, if I want to know the angle that the stairs will form with the ground, I need to use this small triangle right here. So I need to know the length just of this orange piece. So what I need is to look here and find this part of the triangle. So I can do Pythagorean theorem. 14 squared minus 7 squared. That gives me about 12.1. So if I do 15 minus 12.1, this length is 2.9. So to find the angle here, I can do opposite over adjacent, so that's tangent. So tangent of x equals 7 over 2.9. When you do the inverse operation in the calculator, if I go second tangent, 7 divided by 2.9, I get about, if we round to the nearest whole degree, it's about 67 degrees. The main part of this problem that you'll want to be able to do is this part A. Okay, for 32, we're going to just hop back to congruent triangles. So if I read my congruent statement, QS should go with TV. So these are equal since the triangles are congruent, so I don't need a proportion. So 8 will equal 4V. So V is 2, and the length would be 3 times 2 plus 2 is 8. 7 times 2 minus 6 would also be 8. Okay, and here we're going to justify our last two steps. So these were given, so I'm going to just mark congruent parts. You have side to itself, that's the reflexive property. So the triangles are congruent by side, side, side. Number 34, which pair is congruent by angle, side, angle? Angle, side, angle, but oh, that doesn't work. If I check C, side, angle, side, that's not what I'm asked. I check B, side, angle, side, side, angle, side. And D, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. So D is your correct answer. Problem 35, this is an isosceles triangle. The base angles are congruent. So in order to find x, 180 minus 38, divide by 2. So the angle is 71 degrees. Number 36, we have mid-segments. So EC is 30. DF is 17. I want to find AC. So the 30 is extra information. AC, I do 17 times 2, 34. And then for number 37, if DE is the perpendicular bisector, I can put right angles here, and I can put tick marks here. What is not necessarily true is that DK would be congruent to KE. I have no way of knowing this. So right off the bat, it's A. And then for 38, you have an angle bisector. So any point on the bisector is equidistant from the sides. So 9x plus 114 equals 15x. So 114 divided by 6, x is 19.